How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to repair a crack in your plastic bumper. So all I'm doing here is carrying out a close detailed inspection of the crack in the bumper, and if there is any parts of the crack that don't join together uniformly, I can use a file and then file down any rough spots that I may find. But everything here looks good to go. So as you can see, we've got a crack here that stops. We've got a crack that goes from one end all the way to the other. And then there's a small couple of cracks here. So what I'll do first and foremost, I'll start with this little one here first. But to stop this splitting any further, what I'll do is I'll just put a little drill through there, and then that'll stop the crack from moving. So I'll do that first, and then I'll take you through the procedure. So all we're doing here is just drilling through at the very edge of the crack. Now there is a bit of tension on this, as you can see, so I need to get that clamped down back into its original spot. What I'll do is I'll just try and use a set of mole grips here and try and pinch these two parts back together. Okay, I've pinched these two parts back together as best I can. And now that it's clamped up, we'll make a start on the job. This is the tool that I'll be using. This is a plastic welding gun. Pretty much all we do is we use some staples. The ones I prefer are these ones here. We put the staple in the gun there, as you can see. And then we heat that up. And then you just go across the two joins. And then the heat of the staple melts the plastic and allows you to stitch the two sides together. Just pull the trigger, and then the end will heat up. All I've done there is I've pulled the trigger, let the staple heat up, push the heated staple into the plastic until it melts into the plastic, release the trigger, and then let the staple cool down for about 5 seconds or so. break off the pins, and then I'll start to fill this up, give it a bit more rigidity, a bit more strength. Now that I've let it cool down, I'll just cut off the pins from the staples. I've achieved quite a lot today, so I'm going to wrap the video up there. Thanks very much. Take care.